Appreciate you joining us with all those details. We will be tracking the story very, very closely, but it's time to shift our focus as some breaking news is coming in. A first year, a BTech student of Delhi's private university alleged that 4 men sexually assaulted her and attempted to gang rape her on campus. Now, in a complaint to the police, the student said the alleged incident took place in an area of the university where construction work was currently underway. News coming in on the broadcast as far as an alleged sexual assault case is concerned from the national capital. My colleague Soumya joins us live for more details. Soumya, help us understand what exactly is the case and what is expected next in terms of the investigation.
Yes, Riyanka, the investigation has begun. We had the statement released by DCP South Ankit Chauhan as well that the investigation is underway. The statement of the victim has been recorded and as we speak she is being counselled. However, if we dive into the details of the case, a PCR call was made to that particular police station at around 3 p.m. on Monday with regards to this incident, and right after that call a team was sent to the South Asian University here in the national capital. Now the victim has to say that 4 men tried to touch her inappropriately. They even tore her clothes and there was an attempt to gang rape her. Initially, after police reached at the location, they registered the case with regards to sections pertaining to molestation. However, after recording the statement of the victim, sections pertaining to attempt to gang rape has been added in the FIR. With regards to what panned out, the victim has to say that she was assaulted by the 4 accused in a construction area, in an area of the university which was under construction. And now the police has to say that the whole vicinity of the university has CCTV cameras. So CCTV footage from the actual spot where the incident happened is being examined thoroughly as we speak. So these are the details that we are picking up at the moment, Riyanka. Other than that, there has been a tense situation there at the university. Students since yesterday have been protesting after the PCR call was made and the incident came out in open. So these are the developments that we are picking up at the moment.
Soumya, also to understand what has the step been taken from the side of the university that we're talking about here.
Well, Riyanka, it's a private university, the South Asian University. The university is yet to release a statement at the moment. There has been no statement that has been released by the university. However, we are learning that the victim in this case is being counselled. Statements have been recorded. And again, as I mentioned earlier, the situation at the university is a bit tense. Students have been protesting since yesterday. After the incident came out in open, we are being told that the PCR call was also made by a girl who is someone close or known to the victim in the case. So at this moment, these are the developments that we are picking up from ground. Riyanka.
That's right. Appreciate you joining us with those details, Soumya.